Hello, beautiful people. Today, let's play with Nature's Gift. This season, actually, this card got buffed, and I would say this is a huge change. For the first time, we can see Shaping Nature for only 7 points of provision. This is the card that in our deck can be played actually 4 times, since this is an echo card. Obviously, the first time and the second one can be this card can be played by itself, and then also we have the opportunity to play it by utilizing Filavandrel, and Filavandrel actually needs to be drawn by using Instagram's Council in order to give this card 2 points of boost. You should always play Simlas maybe first, just to make sure that actually, first of all, Simlas will draw 2 of these cards and we're gonna do the thinning. And secondly, we are then sure that one of the elves that will be offered to us, because as you can see over here, it's a dwarf, dryad, or an elf. So we have only 2 elves here in this deck. So we are sure that we're gonna play Filavandrel. We have obviously here 3 ticks of leader ability. So in our case, regarding this deck, it would be the best if we can use 2 of them on the Hema Dryad, and then 1 leader charge, in my opinion, should be used on Frexenet. We are playing Devo here, so we don't have Heatwave, we don't have SCOIA'TAEL or anything like this. Actually here, what would be the best for us to have a carryover for the second and for the third round, we can even play Simlas early, and then we can use 2 beautiful Harvest. So what is also good about this deck that we play here 2 Duan Canal Guardians, so we have 2 damages, but just in case if we have some kind of a 4 removal that we need to get rid of and we don't have Nature's Rebuke, then we also have a backup plan, which is in our case really a backup plan, because we will for sure have 2 points of damage plus these 2 points from one of these Guardians. It means force, and then obviously we can also count on something that we're gonna get something with damages here. Ogwen, most preferably we need to play this card in the first or the second round, so all the other dryads will be infused, but also sometimes we don't need to worry about clogging, so it is also possible to play Ogwen in the third round. Seamless, just like I mentioned, we have 2 targets here, so Beautiful Harvest, that's target number 1, and then if we need to remove some kind of a unit with, let me say, 10 points of power, then we have 2 Nature's Rebuke. Aetian, especially great for the third round. Aetian here, it's at 10 points of power plus immunity, so this is pretty strong. Then Filavandrel, just like I mentioned before, we'll play this card in the melee row. There is no point to play Frog Mating Season, since right now it's at 8 points of provision, and actually Shaping Nature is pretty good, because we are playing this card into boost an allied unit by 6 plus the vitality 6, and we use one of the Naiad's flashigs, and then we can automatically remove all the vitality and give a boost to this card. Then we have Court of the Forest, just to be sure that we're gonna get Ogwen. Instagram here is for the Filavandrel. Frexenet, we can play it early. Here, as you can see, we play Crystal Skull, but Crystal Skull, it's mainly for Ogwen, so she will not be locked if we play her in the first round, because regarding Hema Dryad and regarding Frexenet, we cannot use Crystal Skull, since it has a Veil ability. Then we have Herald Gord as a last say. Fourth, obviously for thinning. This is a removal, this is the carryover for the second and third round. Backup plan, which is in our case regarding this deck, really a backup plan. 2 Dual Canal Guardians, pretty strong after the buff. Then 2 Hemadryad, so our engines. Naiad Flashing is absolutely amazing card and super necessary in our deck. Naiad Pondkeeper, it can be played melee or range, it depends like what are you looking for. If you want to remove something, then definitely melee row. Then 2 Dryad Enchantresses, obviously here not only it has the tick of Symbiosis, but also it gives us a vitality. and that's it. So as you can see, this is a deck which is Devil, mainly focused on vitality and creating as many symbiosis units as we only can. The thinning is great. The removal options are here. We don't have something like a toll punish option here, but actually this Nature's Rebuke, it's pretty good regarding our deck. Plus obviously we have 2 damages here, plus some unit that can be created here with additional removal abilities. Then we have obviously 2 dual canal with also 4 points of removal, and Naiad Pond Keeper also it can be used as a removal tool. So I think this is pretty alright. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your time and support. Please like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you in the next video. And the last announcement, guys, please go to your shelter and adopt a dog. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.
The North shall tuck tail and beg for mercy.
That Brochelon would be my home. Who would have thought?
The forest burns! We must save the trees!
As you command, Lady of the Wood.
Target acquired.
De Karakine. Though trees live longer than humans, they need protection.
The senses can be fooled. Keep in line!
Helms of pain.
A highly curious case.
Bloody crackini.
Why should I, an elf, a sage, converse with an ape? Lieutenant Flout will lead the scouts.
Dance of death! Ha! Ha!
This is our land.
Earth, choke the embers. Wind, blow out the flame.
The only good human is a dead human. Pride is all we've left.
May their rotting corpses fertilize our wood.
Keep a stiff neck.
I must re-examine the manuscripts.
What do you need me to do?
The Empire will be victorious.
Darien and Dol Blathan.
Time to die. I'll do so sword in hand.
Resistance shall not be tolerated.
Morning, Mrs. Frog.
Used to chop wood, but the pay's better for souls.
An interesting choice.
Black Tour an Emarvan. Come to me, little one.
Why should I, an elf, a sage, converse with an ape? Leave.
I never
Blood and neck hand. It's a million baht.
'Tis my tree. I was born. So shall die.
May their rotting corpses fertilize our wood.
They're surprisingly clean creatures, as it happens. What are you?
Beautiful green eyes. Beautiful everything, really.
Find yourself your own number.
Satisfaction guaranteed. Pride is all we've left.
Life is fleeting. Life is eternal.
Right-head Sparley! Used to chop wood, but the pay's better.
You've got the heart of an uncrate.
Bloody crackiny.
your monk! Shut up and fight, you bastard!
Though trees live longer than humans, they need protection from them.
I do not mince words. Always.
I will not let this become a second Sodden.
Oh, utmost apologies, gentle sir.
That Brochelon would be my home. Who would have thought?
As you command, Lady of the Wood.
Got a challenge? If I go down, I'm taking you with me.
The forest burns! We must save the trees! Must warn the others.
is all we've left.
Feign not ignorant. Remember to whom you speak.
You're dead already.
You're there!
The wind whistles, Willow's whip.
Let me sing you the song of my people!
De Karakine.
I could do this all day.
Blede Karakine.
Gods protect us.
No mercy!
Only one with no sense would trust the word of a dwarf.
Watching blazes, do you know about duchesses?
I'm watching.